Hey, I'm TJ from Fictiv's Customer Experience team. If you leverage our economical, highly vetted network of manufacturing partners overseas, our new customs information gathering feature will allow you to easily submit the documentation required to import your parts into the United States. Given Fictiv's Ex-Works Incoterms, you are the importer of record for your overseas order, which means that it is your responsibility to classify each part in your order, or else you risk having your order delayed at U.S. Customs. Once you place an overseas order with Fictiv, you'll be prompted via the Orders page and email to provide your customs information. On our platform, you'll need 4 pieces of information to classify your part. First, choose whether your parts are prototypes or for commercial use. Then enter the HTS code, which categorizes the material and usage of your part. Finally, provide a description of what the part is and a description of what the part will ultimately be used for. Additionally, if you are ordering overseas with Fictiv for the first time, you'll need to submit Form 5106 to FedEx. This form establishes your identity as the importer of record with U.S. Customs so that they can follow up with you regarding potential customs duties. For more information, visit our International Shipping Help Center article or email us at help@fictiv.com.